Hi, I'm Rachel Catherine, and welcome to RC Summer. Good morning! Today it is Friday and I actually haven't vlogged. Actually, I've tried to vlog, but I haven't really vlogged since Monday. It's been a bit of a bad week. Okay, listen. It wasn't horrible. Like, nothing horrible or horrific or terrible happened. But a lot of little bad things kept happening to the point where I was like, I just don't want to vlog right now. Like, I was just in not a great mood because of all the things that were happening. Like, I was trying so hard to be positive, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take a break from vlogging for a couple days and hopefully this little wave of bad luck just passes. So let me just give you a quick rundown on some of the things that happened. I got a flat tire. Then I had to go to the mechanic to get it fixed, and they told me that I also have to replace 2 of my other tires because they're almost needing replacing anyway. So that means 3 new tires. And if you know about tires, you know that they're expensive. Luckily, I have money put away for situations like this. Like, I have a whole account full of money of money that are for emergencies or unforeseen circumstances. So I'm like fine with that, but it's still like a lot of money, you know? I also need to go and get my car serviced, so that'll be a lot more money as well, and my car registration is due very, very soon in the next 2 weeks, so that's a lot of money as well. I'm so glad that I put that money aside because that money can pay for all of those things and I won't have to dip into savings or anything like that, so that's really good. Also, when I went to the mechanic to get it fixed, at first they were like, yep, you need to get this tire replaced, and I was like, okay, no worries. And then they were like, oh, you also need to get these other 2 tires replaced, and I was like, okay, no worries. And they're like, but we don't have any of them in stock, and I was like, okay, when will you get them in stock? And they were like, okay, we can get 1 in urgently today because you need it because your tire is punctured and broken, but the other ones we can't get in until like later this week. And I was like, okay, no worries. So they like put on my spare tire, and then I just drove home, and then they said they would call me when my new tire was ready to like come and change over and pick up. So they closed at 5, and by this point, by the time I got home, it was like 9:30 because I went as soon as they opened. It got to 4 p.m. so I had been sitting at home by myself all day waiting for this phone call for them to tell me that I could go and pick up this new tire because I didn't want to like keep them waiting or anything. So I waited for them all day, and it got to 4 p.m. and they still hadn't called me. So I called them and I was like, hey, do you have my new tire? And they're like, oh yeah, whoops, it must have come in when we like didn't even see it get dropped off or something or other. And I was like, oh, okay. So then I drove all the way back to the mechanic to go get my tire fixed, and then I realized that I forgot my wallet, so I had to turn all the way around, go all the way home, and then go and pick up my wallet, and then come all the way back and get my tire fixed, the 1 out of the 3 that needs to be fixed. So that was my day on Tuesday. Another like little bad thing that happened was I went to go put my washing on, and something happened with the washing machine where it just like fully stuffed up, so all of my washing was basically ruined, and I had to like go through this whole ordeal to try and fix it up, and it's all fixed now, but it was annoying. Also, I only had my first shift for the week yesterday, so I had Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday off, which is great, but also like it was a long time to have off, and all of my friends and my boyfriend were all like working in the times that I was free. So I was sitting at home for like 3 days straight doing nothing, and I am an introvert and I like sitting by myself and doing things by myself, but not for like 3 whole days, especially while I'm on holidays, like university holidays, because I don't have anything to do. I have edited and filmed so many videos this week, which is great, but just like sometimes you just want to talk to something apart from a camera. No offense, guys. Oh, I also have really hurt my ankles, which is probably one of the most frustrating things that happened this week. So on Tuesday, I went to go for my run, and I started running, and my ankles were caning, and I was like, what the heck? Especially my left one. And I was like, I don't know what I've done. Like, I can't remember hurting it at all, but I just can't run. So I walked the rest of my normal like running track because I've been doing that every single day. But basically I was talking to my mom and I was trying to figure out what to do, and I probably do have to go see someone about it because I was hoping that if I left it for a couple days it might just heal itself or something like that. But I think I might have done something significant because both my ankles are hurting so badly even when I just walk. So I haven't been going on runs or walks in the morning, and this might sound really weird, but I really enjoy going for them, and it's become a part of my routine. So now I just like hate not being able to go for my run or my walk in the morning because it was just such a great like way to clear my mind and get started for the day, and now I just can't, and so it's very, very frustrating not being able to do that. So just like a lot of little things have gone wrong, you know, my tires, my ankles, my washing, like little things have just gone wrong, and it's just not been a great week. But at the same time, it has been a good week. There have been good things that have happened, so it's not horrible. It's really not that bad. It's just been a little bit of a down week. It's so funny because last week I was like, life is so good, yeah, I love life, woohoo. and this week I'm like, ah, it's so bad. But it's not that bad. It's just like I wish that this kind of like little streak of bad luck would just end, and I'm hoping that it has ended now, but we'll see. So today is Friday. I have another day off. I have like no shifts this week, which is so weird, and it's just like confusing my brain because I'm so used to working almost every single day. So I have a few things on my to-do list today. I have to go get some cash out. I have to check my PO box. I want to go to the craft store, and I need to go to Target to pick up some makeup wipes and a new eraser because I lost mine, and I do a lot of sketching and drawing and stuff, so I need that. And I also need to edit another video that I'm going to put up today, and I think that's all I have on my to-do list so far. My nose is itchy. So we're going to go to my PO box now and check that and figure all that sort of stuff out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thought I'd quickly show you guys my outfit of the day before I leave. It's pretty casual. I've just got this shirt from Cotton On from the men's section. I'm actually wearing jeans today because for once in Brisbane it's not boiling hot. So these jeans are from City Beach, and so is my belt, and my shoes are just like the authentic Vans. But that is my outfit of the day. Quite enjoy it. It's nice not to be boiling hot wearing like shorts and a t-shirt, but yeah. That's what I'm falling over. Why do I always fall over? I have the worst balance. I'm sorry, Mum, but this is definitely from you. My mum and I are very clumsy. I just remembered that you guys said that you loved when I did my last High School Musical like jam sesh, so I think I'm gonna do another one because you guys love that. But I'm firstly gonna check if there is traffic on the way, and if there is, then I will, yeah, there is. Yeah. Yeah, oh, rip, yeah. So I'm gonna go the back way. I'm glad I checked that. Okay, so let's listen to some High School Musical. Last time I listened to High School Musical 3. Which one should I listen to this time? Number two? Oh, yes. It's 19 degrees. It hasn't been like this since like winter.
Long time ago, in a land far away, the pineapple princess Kiki. She was sweet as a peach in a pineapple way. Too sad that she hardly speaking. Tiki, wanna speaky of the mighty spirit. Ho ho. Tiki, wanna speaky. The words I will not miss. No lie. Waka, make it my shot. That's who I am, that's my plan. We'll end up on time again. In with the new, by clouds of gray, and those skies of blue. Excuse me. Thank you. Fetch me my Jimmy Choo flip-flops. Where is my pink Prada tote? I need I just got to the shopping center where my PO box is, and the car park is already packed. What do you mean? Why? Haul. I went to Target. I got makeup remover wipes because that was on my list.
I also went to the craft store because I let myself go there once a week at the end of the week, and if I have any money left in like my spending account that like I don't think I'll need for the weekend, I let myself buy at least 1 or 2 pens. But today they were having a sale and they had 5 for $5, and these are usually $3 each, so I was like, well, of course. So I just got a bunch of different fine liner pens. You guys know I love my bullet journal and I love like writing and drawing and stuff, so like I don't have any colored fine liners, so I thought that I would get some. So I got like this magenta one, this light blue one, a pale pink one, a grey one, and a red one, because I thought these would be the colors that I would use the most out of the selection that they had. So I got those, and I was talking to the lady there. I feel like they must think I'm so weird because I just come in like once a week and buy like 2 pens. But the reason why I do that is because it gives me something to look forward to every single week. And although I could just like go in and buy like a whole pack or like go in and buy every color that I wanted, it's way more fun to go in like once a week and just choose 1 or 2 colors or 1 or 2 pens, because then I feel like I get to experiment with them more specifically as like each pen alone, rather than just like buying a big load of them and then like never touching half of them. So that's always really fun. But then I also got this little eraser because that was on my list because I needed a new eraser. Then I went to my PO box and I opened it and I'm very confused. I have made one order, but I know that's not coming till Monday. So when I got an email saying that I had stuff in my PO box, I just got very confused. So I have this one, this package that I literally have no idea where it's from. Like I don't remember ordering anything. What the heck? What the heck? I am very confused. Madison Page. She has personalized stickers, so that means it's important. What is this? I'm so confused. Hi Rachel, my name is Maddie and I own a handmade clothing label called Madison Page. I design and sew all of my pieces and I am currently based in Brisbane. I've been watching your videos ever since you started and it's crazy to see how amazing you are doing. I never miss any of your videos, but your clothing hauls and RCsummer vlogs are defs my favorite. This is just a little present to say congrats on working so hard. I've sent you one of my new sets, which is the Lunar Crop and Camilla skirt in olive bloom, as well as some satin PJs. I hope you love these items as much as I do. Feel free to browse my website and see if there's anything else you would like me to send you. What the heck? I can also custom make any pieces / set in any color or pattern. Oh my gosh, Maddie, that is way too kind. I'm gonna put her details in the description below and also on the screen. My camera just ran out of storage and my battery is flashing dead, but I want to show you guys this stuff, but I'm gonna have to open the other letter at home. She wrapped them so nicely and I'm just ripping it up. Oh my gosh. No, this is way too cute. Holy moly. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little PJ top. I feel like I'm not fancy enough for this. Holy moly. Those are the cutest little shorts. No way. No, no, no. I'm not fancy enough for this. I wear an oversized men's t-shirt to bed every night. And this is the other set, I'm assuming. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, it's just like, oh, so I can tie it up like any way I want. Oh my gosh, I already know that I want to wear this with my other white skirt that I just got from Milk and Bone because that would look so cute. I love like mixing. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest little skirt. No, 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 no. That is, oh my gosh. I feel so blessed. Maddie, that is way too kind. I had no idea that this package was coming, by the way. Usually I know when people are sending me stuff, but I didn't know this. So Maddie, that is way too kind. I'm gonna try these on when I get home as well and I'll show you guys, but my camera is flashing dead and my memory card's gonna run out, so I'm gonna drive home now, but I feel so incredibly blessed. Wow. So I'm home now and I wanted to show you guys the pieces and I'm gonna try them on for you guys. By the way, I just want to say this is not sponsored at all. Maddie has no idea that I'm doing this. I just wanted to show you because I literally am obsessed with these 2 little sets here and I want to show you guys what they look like on. So this is a little like 2-piece skirt and top. This top is just one of those ones that you tie up, and this is a little pajama set. So I'll try them on and I'll show you guys what they look like because I haven't tried them on yet. This is the first set, so like the little top and skirt, and I literally think it is adorable. I like to tie things up at the back rather than the front because I like to have a bit more coverage here. But I love this. This is adorable. I love skirts like this style, how they have like a little bit of a frill at the bottom. I've been obsessed with this style lately, so I'm so glad to have another one. I love it so much. I have one from Shopo that I'm obsessed with, so this one is super cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And now I'll try on that pajama set as well for you guys. I don't think I've ever had a pajama set as cute as this one. This is adorable. So it's like a bronze color and it's got this little lace detail at the bottom, and the shorts have got the same detail as well. And what I like about these shorts is you can totally totally wear them high-waisted, or you can wear them on your hips. I really like that. I thought the shirt was going to be like really super cropped, but it's really not, and I love it. I think I might continue to wear the shorts for like the rest of the day until I have to go out again because they're just so comfy. I'm gonna put a jumper on though because it's a bit cold today. I forgot to end off my vlog yesterday, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was getting better ending my vlogs, and then I just lost it. It is the next day now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. Goodbye.